Hey guys, welcome back. So now that we have these two tabs set up, what we're going to do is style these so they should look like this by the end of the video. So in here, let's go ahead and click on Inspect, which will open the developer tools, and then let's go to the style.css file. And you can either click on one of your elements in here, and then click on the link to the style.css file right here, or you can go to the Sources tab, and you should be able to open it up from here. So scroll to the bottom, and I'll make this a little bit larger for you, maybe that might help. So in here, what we're going to do is add tabs container style right there, and what the tabs container item is in the search.php file. It's this element right here, and we're just going to say margin left, and I think this is the only bit of style we're going to give this. We'll just say 150 pixels and see what that's done. It's gave it a margin on the left which pushes it all the way over to here, because from here you'll see it's when we want it to start from there. Okay, and that's it for that. Underneath there though, we're going to say tabs container and then dot tab list, and then that's this UL item right there, and we want to say padding 0, and then margin is also going to be 0, because by default UL items come with padding and margin, so we're just getting rid of that default padding. Okay, so scroll down a bit more, and the next thing we're going to do is going to be tabs container and then tab list, just like we did above. But finally, we're going to say li. So now we're actually targeting these list item elements themselves. So let's just say display and then inline block like that. And that should put them alongside each other. So we're saying display them inline, all right, but also as kind of block items. So all we need to know about display inline block is it's going to display each item alongside each other like that, okay? And then we want some padding on that. We can just say padding is going to be 0 on the top, 16 pixels on the right, 12 pixels on the bottom, and then we want 16 pixels on the left as well. Okay, so we're doing nothing on top, 16 on right, 12 on bottom, and then 16 pixels on the left as well. Underneath there, we're going to say color is going to be 777. So we're changing the color of the text itself, the font color, and then finally, let's just say font size is going to be 13 pixels, so a little bit smaller. All right, and then we're nearly done. Just one more thing for now. Just say tabs container, tab list, and then li, and then finally a. So we're saying now we're targeting the actual anchor tag element inside the list item. And there's only one thing we need to do, which is going to say text decoration none. And what that does, it gets rid of that underline that comes with links by default. Because by default, let me just inspect on one of these and show you, anchor tag items come with an underline, so we're getting rid of that. Okay, so great, let's go and copy that new code we just wrote. So everything from the bottom to this tabs container part we can copy. Like I said a million times before, if you want to copy the whole file instead, you can too. It's exactly the same, or just copy your new changes and put those at the bottom. So save that, and now when we refresh the page, we should see the same thing. So already this looks a lot better. The thing we're missing though is making the active tab be blue. If I click on the images tab, you'll see this is the blue one now, and then if I click on sites, this is the blue one. This lets us know which one is currently selected. So we'll do that in the next video.